Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow viewers or users of the Evony application to see your VIP level. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this more button down below on the right side of the screen, this three dots icon, and within this section you can see the settings button, so tap on it. After that, click on options, which is the third button. Scroll down to the VIP level settings section, and within this box you can see the allow other players to view your VIP level feature that you can easily enable by simply tapping on this button next to it on the right side, and as you can see, it has been turned on. So that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.